Hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
What's your good name?
My name is Salini.
Where do you live?
I live at Kumroli.
In which school do you study?
I study in DPS Sivar. What about you?
I am Saloni. I live at Sivar and I study in Project Girls High School Sivar. In which class do you study?
I study in class 10th.
I also study in 11th. When do you come to work in the morning?
Around 5 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, I will also come at the same time from tomorrow. Which is your favorite language?
English is my favorite language.
Do you know how to speak English fluently?
No, I don't know how to speak English fluently, but I am trying to speak these days. Where do
Nice.
you learn English?
I learn English in Gurukul Coaching Center and Nirala Education Point.
What's Nirala Education Point?
It's a YouTube channel where we learn English free of cost.
May I admit in your coaching?
Of course.
Meet you in your coaching tomorrow.
Alright.
You are welcome.
Nice to meet you. See you again. Bye.
Bye.
Live at Kumroli.
In which school do you study?
I study in Srinagar High School. And you?
My name is Avinash Kumar. I live at Kamroli and I study in Nawab High School.
Okay.
In which class do you study?
I study in class 8.
Do you come daily to work?
Yes, I come daily to work
When do you come to work every day?
around 5 o'clock.
That's good. I will also come at 5 o'clock from next day.
Okay.
Where do you learn English?
I learn English in. I don't know how to speak English fluently. I am trying to speak English.
Where do you learn English?
I learn English in Gurukul Coaching Center and Nirala Edu Point.
What in Nirala Edu Point?
Nirala Edu Point is a YouTube channel where we learn English free of cost.
That's good. I will also come in your coaching from next day to learn English.
Okay, bye.
Goodbye.
What's your good name?
My name is Simran Kumari.
Where do you live?
I live at Kamroli.
In which school do you study?
I study in school MS Kamroli.
Okay, in which class do you read?
I study in class 8.
Your favorite language?
English is my favorite language.
And do you know how to speak English fluently?
No, I don't know how to speak English fluently.
Do you want to learn English?
Yes, of course.
Okay. I learn English in Nirala Education Point and Gurukul Coaching Center. If you want, you can join my channel. It's a YouTube channel.
Yes, of course.
Okay. Meet me in my coaching tomorrow. Okay, bye. See you.
Bye.
What is your good name?
My name is Abhishek Kumar.
In which class do you read?
I am studying in class 10th.
In which school do you read?
I am studying in school Nawab High School Sivar.
Do you come to everyday work? Do you come work every day?
Yes, I come every day. What about you?
My name is Rajiv Kumar. I live at Kamroli. I study in class 8. When do you come to work every day?
I come around 5 o'clock every day.
That's good. I will come also at same time from tomorrow.
That's good.
What is your
I am learning English in Gurukul Coaching Center.
Nirala Edu Point? What is Nirala Edu Point?
Nirala, it is a YouTube channel where we learn English free of cost.
May I admit in your coaching next day?
Yes, that's very good.
I meet you again in your coaching.
Okay. Thanks.
Nice to meet you.
Okay. Nice to meet you. Okay. Bye.
Hello,
What is your good name?
my name is Roshan.
Where do you live?
I live at Kamroli.
In which school do you study?
I study in school Nawab High School Shiver. And you?
I study in DPS Sivhar.
In which class do you study?
I study in class 8. And you?
I study in class 11th.
Do you come to work in the morning?
Yes, I came every day.
When do you come to work in the morning?
I come around 5 o'clock.
That's very good. I also come at the same time from tomorrow. Which is your favorite language?
My favorite language is English. Do you know how to speak English fluently?
I don't know, but I don't know speak English fluently, but I am trying speak English these days.
That's good. We learn English free of cost.
Yes, of course. May I admit in your coaching?
Yes, of course.
I shall come in next day in your coaching.
Okay. Okay, bye.
You are welcome.
See you again.
Thanks.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's your name?
My name is Deepak Kumar.
Where do you live?
I live at Kamroli.
In which school do you study in?
I study in Gurukul Coaching Center.
And what?
And what about you?
My name is Avinash Kumar. I live at Kamroli and I study in high school Kamroli.
Yeah.
In which class do you study in?
I read in class 9th.
Do you come to work every day?
Yes.
At what time do you come to work?
Around 5 o'clock.
Can we be friends?
Yes.
At little most.
No, I can speak only Hindi.
Oh, sorry. You can't study the batch of English.
Yes. You learn English?
I learn English in Gurukul Coaching Center and Nirala Edu Point.
What is Nirala Edu Point?
Actually, Nirala Edu Point is a YouTube channel where we study at free of cost. Not only one, but also another child's.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What is your name?
My name is Anjum Patel.
In which class do you study?
I study in class 9th.
To come every day?
I work to 5 o'clock.
Yes, of course.
Yes, of course.
When do you work in the morning?
I work 5 o'clock in the morning.
That's very good. I will also come at same time from tomorrow.
Thanks, very good.
Which is your favorite language?
My favorite language is English.
Do you want to learn English?
Yes, of course. Where do you learn English?
I am learning English in Gurukul Coaching Center and Edu Point, Nirala Edu Point.
What is in Nirala Edu Point?
It is a YouTube channel where we learn English